Using guide. Compact and lightweight, the fridge is easy to carry with the embedded handle. The machine is equipped with a removable shelf. There are the AC and DC power cables inside. For household usage, please plug the AC power cable into the AC inlet port of the machine. Slide the power switch to the cold mode. The indicator lights green, meaning the machine starts to cool. Different models are equipped with different features. F3404 includes an additional lighting function. Turn the light switch to on position to illuminate the interior. F3404 SH features a heating function. Turn the switch to the warm position to activate warming. The unit can cool to 30 to 240 Fahrenheit degrees below the ambient temperature, and the temperature will be reached within 1 to 2 hours after switching to the cold mode. You can serve the door as a mirror and press the button to turn the light on or off. The fridge is suitable for storing the pre-cooled beverages, snacks, or beauty products. For mobile usage, firstly plug the DC power cable into the DC plug-in port. Then, after ensuring the vehicle's motor is turned on, plug the DC power cable into the 12 volts DC outlet.